In everyday conversations, English speakers often share ideas or propose actions using friendly expressions. Making suggestions helps invite others to join in an activity or agree on a plan. The most common and natural ways to do this are with phrases such as let's, why don't we, and how about. These forms make your speech sound polite, confident, and cooperative. The phrase let's is short for let us. It is used when suggesting something that includes both you and the person you are speaking to. This form sounds warm and encouraging. For example, let's go out for lunch means you are inviting someone to have lunch together. Another example is let's watch a movie tonight. This way, the listener feels like part of your plan. Why don't we is a polite and thoughtful way to make a suggestion. It invites the listener to share their opinion and helps keep the conversation friendly. For example, why don't we try that new restaurant is a gentle way to suggest going somewhere new. Or you might say, why don't we study together for the test? This form is softer than let's and sounds considerate when suggesting group activities. How about is commonly used in casual situations to suggest an idea or check someone's interest. It can be followed by a noun, a phrase, or an ing form of a verb. For example, how about going for a walk suggests the idea of taking a walk in a relaxed and friendly way. Another example is how about meeting after lunch. This form works well when you want to sound informal and easygoing. When someone makes a suggestion, it is important to respond naturally. You can accept it politely by saying that's a great idea or sure, let's do that. If you don't agree, you can reply gently by saying I'm not sure that's a good idea or maybe we could try something else. The goal is to keep the conversation respectful and positive, even when you do not fully agree. Learners sometimes make small errors when forming suggestions. One common mistake is adding the word to after let's, such as let's to go shopping. The correct way is let's go shopping. Another mistake is reversing the word order in why don't we expressions, for example saying why we don't visit him. The correct way is why don't we visit him. Paying attention to these small details makes your English sound more natural. Now it is time to practice making suggestions. Try filling in sentences using let's, why don't we, or how about. For example, let's go for a walk after class. Or, how about ordering pizza tonight? You could also say, why don't we watch a movie together, or let's start studying early tomorrow. Practicing out loud helps you become more fluent and confident with these forms. Here is a quick review of what you have learned. Use let's when you include yourself in your suggestion. Use why don't we to sound polite and cooperative. Use how about for casual and friendly ideas. Always respond to suggestions politely, whether you agree or not. Keeping your tone positive helps build good communication and comfort in conversation. Now you can use these expressions easily in daily English speaking.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.